Good morning, VeChain family. It's your boy Boomin coming at you with yet another video, guys. Go ahead and do all the things that the algorithm likes. Let's get right into the show. So looking at the price here, prices are down as I had predicted. Inauguration day, I believe is today. I think it's today. Let me just make sure. Yes, it is today. So we expected a dip in the markets. Sell the news event. Some coins are down. XRP is pumping. There's a couple of coins pumping, but most of the coins are down. So let's take a look at Trump coin here. Now, something came across my Twitter feed. It disappeared before I was able to get it. I think Charles Hoskins has said that this is a new paradigm here, guys. You're gonna start to see celebrities and other major figures create their own meme coin as a sign of approval for that particular person. So it's like tokenizing yourself on the blockchain. Remember, real world assets, what we've been talking about for the past few weeks here, is coming into fruition. This is a stock representation of Donald Trump's presidency right now. Okay, so the more good moves he makes, the more this number go up. if he starts floundering and lying and doing politician stuff, this will go down. That's a very interesting perspective that we can keep on these new tokens that are coming out. Apparently Melania just released a token. I don't know if this is legitimate or not, but as we can see here, Solana, Melania, meme coin. So we're going to start seeing more and more of this, guys, as crypto has become legitimized in America. It's going to be the Wild West again. This is what we like to see. This is what we wanted, all right? So I'm definitely excited. I'm excited for the ups. I'm excited for the downs. It's going to be an insane few years, guys. But the good times won't last forever, because there's going to be a lot of stuff that's going to be happening in 2025, 2026, 2027. And I think after 2028, I think we're going to get a reversal of course, if you guys know what I mean. So I'm not going to get political in this, but I don't think these times are going to last forever. So do what you can. Continue to stack, stake, and chill. And let's move on. So final round of voting for the first proposal is live. Voting for 1.5 better to each better swap and VSwap liquidity for the better VET pair. Reduce impact during swaps, improve decentralized trading, and strong liquidity base. So if you guys are voting, go ahead and vote for this proposal here. We got Cryptos Are Us. George, he's going to talk a little bit about VeChain. Let's take a listen.
And then, I haven't talked about VeChain in a long time. VeChain, they've been working on this better project, which is noble, is to clean up the earth, pick up garbage, get rewarded for it. But what else are they doing? Finally, they are doing a renaissance, okay, which means, according to Sunny, they're going to be EVM compatible, which is good. They're going to come out with a dynamic gas model. They're going to come out with a new model for validator, allowing everyone to participate in permissionless. They're going to reduce, say, VTHOR inflation by around 70%, incentive for a higher VET staking percentage, right? And a few other things that's going to make it a little bit better. So, and VeChain also has been coming up. One of the projects that's been around for a long, long time. I'm hoping they also get into AI, right? Get more infrastructure going, maybe get some memes going, right? They can certainly turn themselves around.
From your lips to God's ears, brother. All right, guys, finally, we got a video here explaining, asset tokenization. I think these real world assets and the tokenization of our world is going to get really, really crazy here. So, I wanted to bring this to your attention. Let's take a look.
Imagine turning your house, stocks, or even a bar of gold into digital tokens. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening now. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is stepping boldly into the blockchain world with their Bitcoin ETF and advocating for more cryptocurrency ETFs. Their CEO, Larry Fink, envisions these moves as mere stepping stones towards a groundbreaking concept: tokenization.
Let me be clear. I think ETFs are step one in the technological revolution in the financial markets. Step two is going to be the tokenization of every financial asset. And to me, this is where we believe it's going. So we're looking at Bitcoin, we're looking at ETFs in the same manner. These are technological changes that can allow us to move forward.
What exactly is tokenization, and how might it transform our approach to real-world assets? At its core, tokenization involves converting the rights to an asset, whether it be bonds or real estate, into a digital token on a blockchain network. It enhances liquidity, turning previously illiquid assets like buildings or artwork into easily traded tokens. Traditionally, bonds have been the domain of large financial institutions, often out of reach for everyday investors. Furthermore, the traditional bond issuance process is costly, involving intermediaries like clearinghouses and underwriters, not to mention significant legal fees. By tokenizing bonds, the asset becomes available to retail investors, increasing their liquidity and affordability. Smart contracts, which can be thought of as self-operating sets of rules coded into the blockchain, function like a vending machine. Just as a vending machine automatically dispenses your chosen snack after you input the correct amount, smart contracts automatically execute agreed-upon actions, such as distributing interest payments, thereby reducing the costs associated with issuing bonds. This not only makes the process cheaper for borrowers but also more profitable for lenders. It's a win-win in the world of finance. And speaking of wins, if you're curious about how the blockchain is transforming bonds, don't miss our in-depth video on this topic. Another asset class, among others, heading towards tokenization is real estate, as seen with the St. Regis Aspen Resort. Here, 19.9% of the property was transformed into Aspen coins, each representing a share in the luxury resort. Tokenization transforms real estate by turning traditionally illiquid assets into liquid ones, enabling fractional ownership. For example, investors can now own a portion, like 3%, of a property, making it easier to buy and sell these fractions. Tokenization also democratizes real estate investments. By breaking down properties into tokens, it lowers the entry barrier for investors, broadening market accessibility. Moreover, it cuts out many intermediaries such as brokers and agents, reducing costs and simplifying transactions. Furthermore, the blockchain technology underpinning tokenization ensures both transparency and security. Its immutable ledger offers equal access to asset information and robust protection against data tampering, enhancing trust in ownership records and transaction history. As we reach the end of our exploration into the world of asset tokenization, let's examine what BlackRock's CEO Larry Fink highlighted. We have the technology to tokenize today. If you have a tokenized security and identity, the moment you buy or sell an instrument on a general ledger, that is all created together. You want to talk about issues around money laundering. This eliminates all corruption by having a tokenized system. What are your thoughts on this vision of a tokenized future?
All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Love y'all. Keep stacking, keep staking, keep chilling. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.